The kidney. Now the kidney, it's gonna be fun. It's basically a straight line weave with some turns. So let's go ahead and familiarize. We're gonna have to go all the way to these last cones, all the way around. And then we're gonna have to go wide on this part because it's pretty much a 360. And then we have to go around everything again and do the same thing for these. So nice and wide, counterweight. You guys are gonna have fun with that one. That's a tough one. Now the secret is smooth, okay? So 30 seconds basically, 29 seconds. Here we go. Secret is smooth. We can get some speed on these straightaways though. So let's get some speed. We can cut off some time right there. So wide. Turn, 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 turn. Wide. Now this is where we can get some speed. Okay. Wide. A little too wide because it set me up a little weird. Secret is to turn those handlebars as quick as possible. All right, so we cut off about 4 seconds. Okay, let's see if we can get to 22. All right, same thing. Now for time. So counterweight. Turn those handlebars quick. That's the secret, is turning those handlebars quick. You gotta turn them. That means you gotta shift your body weight quicker. Oh, I didn't turn the handlebars that quick. I didn't turn it. See how I turn them late? Yeah, that's the problem. Did we get to 22? 25. That's good enough. Whew. All right, we're doing official times here, guys.